Namaste, this programmer. Today we'll see the number is between 100 to 200 or 400 to 500. If it is, we have to print true. If it is not, we have to print false. So, and here is our one edge case we have to handle. So that is if it is not string or not number like a string or null or boolean, we have to handle. So let's see. So if before that I will check variable number equal. Okay, I'm checking it as a one. So if hmm, I'm checking it is number or not through the number, there is a in the javascript function we can check it is number or not, so why it is not doing this. Yeah, it is giving. So is it number? If it is number, so then do this. If it is not, come to the else part. Okay, so and do one thing, this uh, log these things this. uh, I will write here like in the template literal. So what I will write a dollar. Okay, curly brace open close number, like a variable I took in the fifth number position in the line. Then I'll take, I'll say it's not a number and you want to be equal. So that's it. If I give you the insight, what we'll write, we'll at first check is it between this or this. So if it is not, then it will console the goes to the console part, else part. So if number greater than, sorry, greater than equal 100, okay, and number less than equal 200. So if it is, so then do. If it is what, then it will log the true of it here. Okay, true. Okay, if it is not, it will goes to the else else if third. So and also it will check here the number should be greater than 400, greater than equal, because here we are checking from the 400 or we are checking from the 100, we are checking till the 200. That's why there is equal sign I am using here. So here will be in. Okay, less than equal. Okay, so 500. So if it is, then do like a log true. So it will be TRO true. So if it is not, so go to the else part and write one thing that is false. So yeah, that's it. So let's see it at first. Yeah, false. If it is 2133, it is true. If it is like 333, if it is also false, it is also false. Yeah, if it is 444, it is true. Okay, so if it is uh, like uh, this, will it consider as a number? Yes, it will consider. Oh, sorry. Mm, 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 Okay, it will, you can see it actually convert. So if I javascript, like it's a javascript tactic. It's actually seeing that you are writing in the quotation but it is not seeing it is in the quote or not. It will also checking that it is number. If it is number, is there any other things? No, like if it is this kind of, so it will like a string, you can see is not a number. Yeah, like, and also like you can write this, you can see is not a number. You can also check through this empty. Okay, you can see is not a number. You can give the space also. so you can check is not a number. So yeah, thank you.